Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In today's video, we will show you how to add payout method for Airbnb hosting. We will also put our referral link in the description below for you to sign up. To start, open the website airbnb.com/hosting. Then log in with your phone number. Once you're logged in, you will see your profile icon at the upper right corner of the screen. Click on your profile icon. On the drop-down list, you will see an option that says Account. Click on Account. Here you will see an option for Payments and Payouts. Click on Payments and Payouts. On this page, you will see several tabs at the upper part of the screen. Click on the tab that says Payouts. At the Payouts tab, you will see a button that says Add Payout Method. Click on Add Payout Method. Next, select the payout method you wish to use. You can choose from Fast Pay, Bank Account, PayPal, and Payoneer. In this video, we chose to use Fast Pay. Click on the option you wish to choose, then click on Continue. If you also chose Fast Pay, select the account holder of the debit card you wish to use. Then click on Next. Next, add the additional debit card info. In the fields provided, enter all the required information such as the card number, expiration date, CVV and zip code. Also, select whether the debit card is personal or business. After that, click on the checkbox beside the text that says I understand that a 1.5% fee will be deducted from each payout. Then click on Next. To continue, you have to confirm your account through a verification via text message or a phone call. Click on the option you wish to choose. In this video, we chose to receive a text message. If you also selected to receive a text message, enter the one-time code in the field provided. Lastly, assign a taxpayer. You could choose to assign it to the existing taxpayer or add a new taxpayer for this payout method. Here, we chose to assign it to the existing taxpayer. If you choose to add a new taxpayer, just follow all the on-screen instruction for that. Then click on Next. On this page, you will see what will happen next to the payout method you have added. You could also set the payout method you have added as your default method, by toggling the switch beside text that says Set as Default Payout Method. Then click on Done. That's how you add a payout method for Airbnb hosting. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.